Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is part 5 of my Halloween makeup look series. In today's video, I'm going to be turning myself into a clown. This is actually my second time doing this makeup look. The first time I did it, I absolutely hated it. Here's a picture of it, but it's a little not cute. I'm gonna go do my brows. I'll show y'all the process of me doing my brows from last time since it's gonna be the same brows. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I'll see y'all when I come back. Hey guys, so I just finished doing my brows and they look pretty okay. Now I'm gonna take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Flat White Corrector and I'm gonna put this all over my face. If you guys want a more so in-depth process video, I'm not gonna say tutorial, I'm gonna say process video, you guys can check out my goth makeup video right here, and I show a little bit more of me blending out the makeup and stuff. But I'm literally just gonna go and apply this all over my face. Literally, I'm not even lying, just literally everywhere. And so I'm gonna take some of this and put it underneath my eyes. I think that's okay. I'm literally running out of this. I'm gonna put this all over my face, I'm gonna blend it out, and then I'll be back. Hi guys, so I just finished applying my white concealer. First, I set my face using a white powder. I took my Juvia's Place palette and I took this shade right here, and I literally took a sponge and I smushed my sponge in the powder. I started like lightly setting on top of my eyes and underneath my eyes because those are the places where it creases the most on my face. After that, I took a big fluffy powder brush and I went in with that white shade and I just powdered my whole entire face with a white eyeshadow. Once that white eyeshadow was down and most of my face was powdered, I then went in with a translucent powder. It's not exactly white, it's the CoverGirl Clean Professional powder in the shade Translucent Fair, so it's like a really light color. And I went in again with this and I just powdered my whole entire face a lot. Like my face right now is powdery, but I do that so that my face can not only stay in place but also so that it just doesn't lose its opacity. I don't know about you guys, but when I put on this white LA Girl concealer, it loses opacity, so I have to make sure that it stays in place at least while I'm doing my makeup. So that is the process. If you guys want to buy that powder, it actually looks like this now. I recently had to buy a new one and this is what it looks like. CoverGirl Clean Invisible, that's the name now. Anyways, so I also did some contour off camera too. I did that because the last time I did my makeup look, I wonder why it looked so weird, and it was because I didn't contour. So for contour, I took this shade right here. It's like a light brownish gray color and I lightly contoured.
Here, nose, here, and here. Now powder.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna start on a little bit of eyeshadow right over here. I'm gonna take a super light pink and a super light yellowy color, and I'm going to only focus right in here with that color. Now I'm going with a little bit of a darker orange shade. I'm just going to blend that out in the middle of this. And then just blend that out even more. Now I'm going to go in with a black. And we're going to go right in here. And we're going to blend that black out real good. Taking the black and we're just going to place it in here like this. And then we're going to blend it out like this. Blend that black down onto the actual lid just a little bit, and we're gonna keep blending that out. And pretty much that's it. I might make it a little bit darker in there, but that's pretty much it. I'll come back to y'all when it's time for the next step. And now we're going to move on to this thing I want to put right here. I kind of wanted to make a yellow aura, and then I wanted to put a yellow gem in the middle. So we're going to start off with a light yellow color. We're going to blend that out on our forehead, and then we're going to go in with a slightly more pigmented darker yellow, and then we're going to go in with the orange color. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do our eyeliner. It's gonna be a really tiny eyeliner. Really round, but also really tiny. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Okay, so you guys see I made this weird little liner. So yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys when I see y'all. Now I'm gonna take some white, this NYX jumbo eye pencil, and I'm gonna line underneath my eye, and I'm going to color that in with a light red color. Now I'm gonna do a little purple patch on my chin. Now I'm gonna make a little swirl. Now I'm blending that out just a little bit. Now I'm gonna take a Juvia's Place little eyeliner, and I'm gonna create this little crystal star thing just right here. So I've just finished that up, and I actually covered it up with a little bit of purple because the pink was a little bit too bright. Anyways, now we're gonna start on our blush. For blush, we're gonna be taking a yellow shade, and then we're gonna go over it with a orangey reddish shade. First, I'm gonna start off with a light yellow shade. Taking that, and I'm also gonna put that on my nose. Now I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Cognac Candy, and I'm going to lightly tap that over in the areas where I've applied this orangey blush. Also on my lip. And then on my nose. And then also right up here. A lot, you guys. I'm literally applying this so extremely heavy. Okay, we're gonna continue that. Really heavy, you guys. I'm also taking this little Fiesta shade out of this Revolution palette, this little Fiesta shade right here, and I'm also applying that in these areas too, because it's really cute actually. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm gonna put some of that right up here. Alrighty, you guys, and I also want to put a little bit of the shade right above that, the Hot Topic shade, and I'm gonna put that on my chin. I think that that is absolutely lovely, and I'm gonna be applying some gems, you guys. Hi guys, so I did some stuff off camera. I did my gems off camera. I think that's it. Oh, I did my lashes too. I used individual lashes and I just stuck them all up on there. It's not even in any order. Like, here, let me show you. Here's the lash book I got. I got it from AliExpress, and it's literally the most randomest lash book ever. You see, it costs like $4. I obviously used this little topper right here, and I didn't do it in any order. The longest ones are like in the front and the shorter ones are towards the back. So I don't know, it doesn't have numbers on it. I couldn't even tell y'all even if I wanted to. I did some gems off camera, and now it is time for the lippy, which I am so extremely excited about. First, I'm going to use this RK Beauty lip liner, and I'm going to line my lips. Now I'm using this MAC gloss, I think, in the shade Please Me. I don't think it's available anymore, but just search for a nudie pink lip gloss and you'll be fine. Literally the tiniest bit of that, not a lot. Now I'm gonna go in with this LA Colors holographic iridescent lip gloss in the shade Glazed Donut. It's really cute. It's like a little shifting gloss. It's super cute. And then last but not least, I'm gonna use a tiny bit of this. This is the Roblox X Fenty lip gloss in the shade Major Flex. Just the tiniest bit. Amazing. So I am essentially done with, you know, the base or whatever. I think this is super cute, you guys, and I'm gonna put on some of my accessories and I'll be right back. So I've just finished up with my whole entire makeup look. I'm gonna show you guys up close with a flash. Total focus, what in the world? So if you guys can see right over here, we have this lovely glitter. Will it focus? OMG. I really love the outcome of this makeup look. This hat is actually for my birthday. Like, I wear it every single year for my birthday. I've done it for about maybe 4 years now, but I pulled it out for this makeup look because clowns usually wear hats. I really hope that all of you guys enjoyed watching this video because doing this makeup was definitely a lot more fun, seeing as it actually came out good. And yeah, you guys, I hope that you guys use this makeup look to be a cute clown. Look at this, you guys, you can be a cute little clown. Okay, I hope y'all found this tutorial helpful. Follow me on all my different socials. They are all linked down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching. See y'all on my next video. Happy Halloween!
It's time to jump up in the air. Jump